Hey everyone, and welcome back to Dreamscape Designs. You know how much I love creating spaces that feel warm, inviting, and full of life. But today, we're adding a little something extra, a touch of the future. That's right, we're diving into the world of smart home technology. Now, don't let that intimidate you. We're focusing on affordable ways to make your home work smarter, not harder. Think of it as giving your house a little tech upgrade without breaking the bank. First up, let's talk about lighting. Y'all, lighting can make or break a room. It sets the mood, highlights your favorite features, and just makes everything feel cozy and inviting. But did you know it can be smart too? With smart bulbs, you can say goodbye to those old-fashioned dimmer switches and hello to a world of possibilities. Imagine dimming the lights for a romantic dinner without ever leaving the table, or setting the perfect ambiance for a movie night with just a tap on your phone. And the best part? These little wonders are super affordable. Brands like Philips Hue and Wise offer a range of smart bulbs that fit right into your existing fixtures. Plus, they use less energy, so you're saving money on your electricity bill while you're at it. Now, picture this. You're elbow deep in a batch of Chip's famous chocolate chip cookies and you need to set a timer, but your hands are covered in flour. This is where the magic of voice assistants comes in. Smart speakers like the Amazon Echo or Google Nest are like having a personal assistant for your home. They can play your favorite music, set reminders, make calls, and even control other smart devices, all with just your voice. And don't worry about breaking the bank. These handy devices are more affordable than ever, and they can make a world of difference in your daily routine. You'll wonder how you ever lived without one. Chapter 3. Smart plugs, small but mighty. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Joanna, this all sounds great, but I'm not ready to replace all my appliances with fancy smart versions. And you know what? That's perfectly okay. You can still add a touch of smart to your existing gadgets with, drumroll please, smart plugs. These little guys are seriously game changers. Just plug them into any outlet, then plug your lamp, coffee maker, or even your Christmas tree lights into the smart plug. Suddenly, you have the power to control them all remotely with your phone. Imagine preheating your coffee maker from bed or turning off all the lights downstairs without leaving the couch. Smart plugs make it all possible. Plus, they're super budget-friendly with brands like TP-Link and Casa offering some fantastic options. Chapter 4. Comfort and savings, all year round. Now let's talk about comfort. Here in Texas, we know a thing or two about hot summers and unpredictable weather. That's why I love the idea of smart thermostats. They're like the superheroes of climate control. Smart thermostats like the Google Nest learn your schedule and adjust the temperature automatically. So no more wasting energy heating or cooling an empty house. They're energy efficient and can help you save money on your utility bills in the long run. Plus, they're much more affordable than you might think, especially compared to replacing your entire HVAC system. It's a win-win for your comfort and your wallet. Chapter 5. Peace of mind on a budget. Finally, let's talk about safety and security. Everyone deserves to feel safe and secure in their homes, and thankfully, you don't need an expensive security system to make it happen. Affordable smart cameras and doorbells are incredible for adding that extra layer of protection without breaking the bank. Brands like Wise and Blink offer fantastic options that provide crystal clear video, motion detection, and even mobile alerts right to your phone. Imagine seeing who's at the door without even getting up or checking in on your home while you're away. That's the power of smart security. It's all about giving you peace of mind and keeping your loved ones safe and sound. And there you have it. 5 simple and affordable ways to bring your home into the 21st century. Smart design isn't just about aesthetics. It's about functionality and convenience too. It's about making your life easier, more comfortable, and just a little bit more magical. Remember, you don't have to go all in at once. Start small, try 1 or 2 of these affordable tech upgrades, and see the difference it makes in your daily life. I have a feeling you're going to love it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Dreamscape Designs, and let us know in the comments. Which tech are you excited to try? See you next time.